This is a Peugeot 307. It's a wagon. This is 20 large tubs of KFC's finest gravy. I wonder what would happen if you put KFC gravy in a car engine. In this video, you will find out the answer.
Okay.
As far as we're aware, this is a world's first, so I hope you like it. Here it is, guys. This is the car I have chosen to go with for this video. It's a Peugeot 307. It's a 1.6. It cost me 150 quid and well, it's got a dodgy interior, as you can see here. Yes. It's been sat here for about 8 months. We need to get it started, so I'm gonna speak to my mate Newfie, get some jump leads. Yo. Yeah, we're at the car, we're ready. He turns up with the goods, he's got the jump leads. Let's get it started and hooked up to Big Vecchi. Hopefully get it running. It's growing some cress or something, I don't know, but let's see if we get it going. Yes, 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 it's going. We finally get it working. Starts right up, perfect. Now obviously what we can do is go to KFC, get the gravy, put it in, and let's really see how far we can take this car. Hey, we could do like drifting and like try and get close to it. So on the die, happy? Yeah, fine. Okay guys, so this is going to be one of the biggest videos I've ever done on this YouTube channel. We are going to be destroying a car with KFC gravy. So right now with Keenan, with Newfie, we're on our way to KFC. We're going to be picking up like 20-30 tubs of gravy, and then we're going to head back. We're going to pour it up. We're going to literally like rag it through like some...
Down the track probably, just down a bumpy road, mate, in a little compound. And
going to take it down some bumpy lanes.
207 rapid as well.
It's not rapid. I don't even know what engine it is, mate. It cost me like 150 quid, and today we're saying bye bye to it. Wakanda forever! Mate, I can't wait to like. I bet it's gonna smell lush. KFC gravy.
Yeah, it's gonna stink.
What litre is it?
Well, it's got to be a 1.6 or something, though, isn't it?
I have no idea.
Yeah, it must be 1.6.
It's been sitting in a compound for like about 6 to 8 months, and now today is finally the day that these two boys are free to get it done.
Nice.
Catch up at KFC, and we're gonna see how many tubs of gravy we can get away with. Big Colonel. Here we go, here we go. Right, how many tubs should we get, boys?
I reckon 83.
83?
Yeah.
I'm nervous they're going to say that we're not allowed a certain amount.
Yeah, but just say we emailed them and they said no, there's no like...
There's no limit.
How many tubs should I get? Like 25?
I reckon,
20?
I reckon a good, what?
20 tubs would be loads, innit? I'm going to get 20.
Alright, go for 20.
About 5 grand.
What if they don't have enough? Hello, mate.
He likes you, mate.
What did you want to order?
Just give me a tartar, hash brown and ting.
What do you want?
I want a mini fillet tartar.
Mini fillet tarred up with hash brown and cheese.
What, mini fillet burger, yeah?
Yeah, mini fillet with cheese and then chuck a hash brown in.
Little hash brown.
Yeah.
And then can I get 20 large gravies?
20 large gravies.
Yes, please, mate. 20. I really like it.
That'll be $39.80 for the gravies.
Yeah, that's fine, mate. I just like it.
Back the window, please.
I just like it.
There's like 40 bits of gravy.
40 bucks. He's like, you do realise that's 40 bucks?
I like it.
I like it.
Don't you think the people in there are literally going to look up on that order screen like, is that 20 large gravies, mate?
All in there like...
While we're waiting, if you've enjoyed this video so far, drop a like on it and write a comment down below what you want us to go and put in next into our future car engines. The weirder the better. Alright, so what was the total price?
£46.16.
Told you.
You got enough gravy in there, yeah?
20 large gravies.
Yeah. We're about to replace the car's oil with KFC gravy, and we're just gonna like blow it up.
So keep an eye out for it, innit?
Yeah, I was,
Oh, boss man. One thing as well, can I get a large empty, no, 2 large, you know like what you put the big chicken in?
Look at all those chickens.
You know the bucket? Can I get 2 empty buckets as well?
What a ledge wax it round and mash it.
Yes, yes, good lad. Yes, get in. You know that. Silly old bucket. What are you doing, little bucket head?
Chug chug.
Yes. Right. How many's in there? Right, hold that. Put that between your legs. What's in there?
Oh, mate.
Cheers, lads.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Cheers, bud.
Dan, keep an eye out for it.
He's like, nah.
Right, boys, gravy's complete, but the sun is going down.
Is he taking the piss?
What?
It's a fucking towed up, mate, with just a hash brown in it.
There's no. What?
There's no chicken in it.
Oh, show the camera! Show the camera! Open it up! Open it up!
Mate, it's meant to have chicken.
What?
In
There's
it.
no chicken in it!
Hash brown. Mate.
What's wrong with all my hopes? All my aspirations, mama. Oh, like you, I can't even register my SSC. Well, don't allow my ambitions. Oh my God, if it doesn't oh my God.
Oh my God! Swindon KFC, you've done us right in, mate.
Dip it in some gravy, mate.
Oh, mate, that's minging.
You got a hash brown burger. That is
brown and
amazing.
You can dip it in some gravy, though.
See ya.
Yeah, I'm having some gravy in it. He put no cheese in it and just gave me a hash brown with no chicken in it.
Sponge as well, look at it.
So, I'm having gravy and a little hash brown burger.
Oh my God. Right, so basically we're here at the location. We just need to get the gate unlocked and then obviously we're going to be free to do our thing. Boys, I've been waiting to do this video for like a year. We're losing light. We've got about half an hour of light left.
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh, mate, that looks like actual runny turd.
Lush, mate, bang it. Oh my days!
Mate,
This is the best idea I've ever had.
That actually sounds like plot, mate. Ready? Oh, what you
Okay, so literally we've got the car, we've got the gravy. I'm gonna start pouring it in a little bit by a little bit. We'll take it up and down here, ragging it a little bit, having a bit of fun. But yeah, but I wonder how long this is gonna last. It's not gonna be long. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, it's like a barbecue. That stinks. Oh, straight in, mate.
Just out of curiosity, how long it's gonna last?
Oh, boys. You should start her up.
You reckon?
Mate, I've just put like at least like half a litre in. Oh. Whoa, caps, get on. Right, caps on. See ya. Literally, I can't believe how much we've put in. You've seen how much we've put in and it's still going.
Are you good at it?
Hang on. Oh, bro. Oh my days. How much you putting in?
Fuck it, mate.
Oh my God.
Right, now, well, this is the test, boy.
This is it, literally. Mate, that is literally, that is £40 worth of KFC gravy, large tub, 20 of them in that engine. And it's still running.
On the limit, so I don't want to really make it smoking though, boy.
Whoa.
Let's get out and have a look.
Mate, it smells the kernel. It smells the kernel. Oh mate, sounds like an E46.
Putting that in.
Right, so basically, because it's not dying after a very long time, what are you putting in, Keen?
Bit of shit.
Bit of turn.
Just do a little bit, a little bit, a little bit.
Mate, it's a fat up.
You need to like cram it in.
Yeah, you need to like put a little. Oh no, that's gonna die, isn't it? Oh, it's smoking!
Oh, you missed the turn.
Yeah, yeah.
Hold it. Just the ball up.
Oh shit! So, as you can tell from this video, the Peugeot won. You've seen how much gravy we fucking poured in it.
Mate, it stinks, man.
You've seen.
That absolutely stinks.
Yeah, #1 in the world. What I want you to do, if you enjoyed this video, put a like on it. Write a comment down below with what you want us to do next, and we will put something else in it, and we will do exactly the same thing. If this video gets, like, let's aim for like 400 likes. That's easily achievable. Like I said, it's the first in the world. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.